Welcome to my video. I'm Lylah. We're going to do a slime challenge. So let's get started. We need food coloring and glitter. This, and glue. This is all the stuff we need. So let's make the slime. So what we're going to use with this bowl, we're gonna have this put this glitter inside, and we're gonna be wrapped it with a seed, and then we're gonna choose a color. So let's do it.
Okay, yeah. Ready? Okay, pick 3 glitter things and 1 food coloring. Okay. 3 of them.
Okay.
You want 3 or just
3?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, got a pink, yellow, and blue food coloring. So let's put it on the bowl. First, I'm gonna use the clear glue. I think they won't be able to stick it, so let's rub it up. Food coloring first?
It's just a couple of drops. Unas gotitas.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna open yellow first, so let's open it. Okay, now we're gonna use pink. Whoa, look at it. Whoa, this is super cool. It's turning to blue and glitter blue. Wow, super cool. So we're gonna put baking soda. Let's put it. Now let's stir. And turn to slimy. Slime, slime. So we're gonna put the activator.
Mixing. Oh, ya casi.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, casi, keep mixing.
Quiero tocar.
Mix, 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 mix.
Yes, sí se ve tostado. Yes. Look at this red color slime. Oh, I love it. I love this. This is the first thing that I have. Let's make our next. We're going to do everything that we need, and we're going to need this. And we're going to need everything before we can. So I'm going to close my eyes with 2 blindfolds, and then I'm going to do blindfold with everything. We're ready to go.
That's the glue. Squeeze it all. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Good. Okay, ahora the food colorings.
I'm going to start to a big look.
Okay. No mucho, solo poquito que se vea la glitter.
Light in the dark. Don't sit still. Oh, está haciendo brown.
Whoa. Okay, now put the baking soda. It's right there. Yeah, mix. No, activator only.
One, two.
Oh, backwards.
2, 3.
Okay, now mix. Okay, maybe a squirt more.
3.
3 more, but upside down like that. 1, 2, 3. Is it working?
Yeah.
Maybe more activator. 2 more.
1, 2.
Okay. Mix hard.
See?
Whoa.
Yeah. Okay, ready.
Is it done?
See. See. It's the done. The done, done, done.
Action.
Done, done, done. I'm done.
Whoa. Now what are you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna go inside and play with it. So let's put it in a container like this. Oh, let's wait. Oh, okay.
Where did Lylah go? She's off the camera. Lylah. Oh, there you are.
I'm gonna put the tap on. Okay, let's go. Let's go outside.
Okay.
I hope you like it. Next time, we're gonna show you how to make our own makeup. If you like it, like it. If you don't, don't. Bye.